Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how you can update your Exchange server to the latest Exchange CU15. So currently I have an Exchange server which is running on CU14. So I'm going to update it to CU15. So to update the Exchange server, these are the steps that we will follow to update. First, we will run our Exchange management shell as an administrator. Click on yes. The CU update typically takes at least 1.5 hours. So once you connect, copy the first command. In here, in identity, provide your Exchange server name. Click on enter. Now, I want to redirect all the messages to the Exchange 1 to server to Exchange 1. By the command, I can do this. I have a DAG environment. So first, I need to suspend the DAG. So it's in the pause mode. Now I need to disable database copy automation activation, automatic activation. So run this command. It's done. Now I need to check the policy. It's unrestricted. Block to prevent any of the database from becoming active. Copy this one. Enter. Check the database copy that is still mounted. Oh, before that, I wanted to check my Exchange server version. If here I can click, you can check that my version is build 15440, which is CU14. So run the last command, which is blocked. Okay. Now check for any database copy that is still mounted on this server. Click on. Yes, it's mounted. Few of the servers are mounted in here. Get the queue. Okay. Shadow redundancy, no problem. Put the server into maintenance mode. So this is important. Put the server in maintenance mode. Now we need to verify that the server is in the maintenance mode. Yeah, it's in the maintenance mode. Now we have to install the Windows are set. You can install in the same command. No issues. Yeah, it's already installed. So now I need to mount my Exchange server. So it's mounted on F drive. So this is very important. We need to check the drive. It's in the F drive. So I need to change all my command from I to F. Okay, so let's just change that. Think no more command is in here. So okay, first command we will copy and run in here. So this is Exchange Server 2019 cumulative update 15 unattended setup. So this will take some time. So I will pause the video time by time, because this video will be like more than if I don't skip the part, then it will be like more than 2 hours video. So I will skip those. So you might encounter this error where the prerequisite actually is failed because a reboot from the previous installation is pending. Please restart the system and then return setup. So we have to just save this. Okay, now I need to reboot this server and again try. So my system is rebooted. So let's try once again, because you can see this error, but don't worry, this is very normal. Let's just connect our PowerShell once again. This point we have to again mount it. Okay, it's done. Let's open our files. This is an F drive. So let's run this again. So as you see, this time we did not get any error in our prerequisite analysis. So let's complete the other parts. So the first command is complete. Now we're going to run the second command. Copy this and run this one. So again it will copy the file. So once the prerequisite is complete, then it will configuring Microsoft Exchange Server. So this will take some time. So the second command is complete. Now going to the third command. Again just copy and paste this. So this is done. Now check for the active directory versions. It's unrestricted. Now we run the final command. This is for our Exchange server upgradation, and this will be the one which would take some time to complete. So it will be completing on step by step. So it will performing the Exchange server prerequisite check. It's checking the prerequisite one by one. Okay, I have some open file and then restart the setup. Okay, because I have to close the PowerShell. This is very important because you see, when you follow the documentation, sometimes this will not show, but when you working on the real time, you will get those and face those challenges, and you can overcome this. I think this time we will not get an error. Let's hope. Analyzing the prerequisites. Okay, let's try once again. So here the third command that is giving us some issues, you will run it using the PowerShell, not using this one, Microsoft Exchange management shell. You will not run this from the management shell. Please run the third command from PowerShell. So after running it, the PowerShell, we don't get any error. And now it's configuring. So this will take some time. The stopping services is done 100%. So now it's removing the Exchange files. So now it's copying the Exchange file. So the Exchange copying file is done. Now it is copying the language file. So the rest of the thing will not take much of time. So now it is restoring the services. Now we're installing Exchange management tools. So now mailbox role, transport service. Now it is installing client access services. Now mailbox services. So now it will install front-end transport service. So now it is finalizing the setup. So finally, the Exchange server update is complete. Now, what we have to do, we need to restore the services that we stopped. We need to restore the services one by one. Let's first connect. Now, this part is very important because pre-task and the post-task is very important in order to make your Exchange server workable. So now I will take out that Exchange server out of maintenance mode. So let's just connect this one. So click on enter. Okay, now we need to resume the cluster. Click on enter. It's up. That's very good news. Now we run the other two commands one by one. Okay. Okay. So we will now verify out of maintenance mode. Yeah, it's up. So I need to check for all the exchanges. Yeah, 1 and 2 both are up. So now I need to check that all the required services are running. Yeah, it's true. So let's check for all Exchange server. That's true for all. Okay, now we need to test the MAPI connectivity. Sorry, let's try once again. It's currently hosted on server. Yeah, no mailbox database are on. Okay, because before the Exchange setup, I move all the database from Exchange server 2 from Exchange server 1. So here everything is success. So all the database is in Exchange server 1 right now. Yeah, okay, it's healthy. Now check the DAG status. Yeah, okay, healthy and not applicable. Check the replication status. Yeah, it's passed. So let's check for all server. Yeah, it's passed for all. So now the last command. Okay, yeah, it's unrestricted. verify the, yeah, it's unrestricted for all. Now let's log into our Exchange server. Okay. Let's click on servers. Yeah, see, the new Exchange server version is changed. It's now 17.48.10, which is Exchange CU15. So you can run this one, and you can see here to verify this. So this one. So this is the main CU15 update. So my Exchange server 2 is now running on CU15. So I will observe it for 1 week, and then I will perform the same CU update for the Exchange 0. So that's it for today. Thank you.